Tired of your graphics card sounding like a jet engine, or worried about overheating during an intense gaming session? Let's learn how to take control of your Nvidia graphics card's fan speed in a simple, step-by-step guide. Ensuring peak performance and longevity first, we'll use software like MS Afterburner, a popular and reliable tool which can be downloaded by searching online. Double-click the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to get it installed, and open the program. Next, we're going to create a custom fan curve. See the fan speed section. This is where the magic happens. Click and drag the dots to adjust the fan speed in relation to the GPU temperature. For instance, you can set the fans to spin up faster when the temperature rises, and to remain quieter at lower temperatures. Think of it this way. At lower temperatures, like below 50 degrees Celsius, you might want the fans to idle at a lower percentage, maybe 30%. Then, as the temperature climbs into the 60s, you can gradually increase the fan speed to around 60%. Above 70 degrees, crank the fans up to 80% or even 100% to keep the card cool. Make sure to click apply after you've adjusted the curve. Keep a close eye on your GPU's temperature to ensure it stays within safe operating limits while monitoring the fan speed. Remember, the goal is to balance optimal cooling with a noise level you're comfortable with. Experiment with different fan curves to find your perfect blend. Other software options, like EVGA Precision X1, also offer similar fan control adjustments, as well as some other cool features. You also have the option of using Nvidia's own performance overlay, which displays information like temperature and usage. By customizing your fan speed, you can reduce overheating, extend the life of your graphics card, and improve your overall gaming experience. Happy gaming!